Hello guys, welcome to Tech Abro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you use live wallpaper on iPhone. So to use live wallpaper, go to settings, scroll, and here you can see wallpaper. Click on it. Now here you can see custom button. You can customize wallpaper or you can just add new wallpaper. I'm clicking on add new wallpaper. And in the top fourth option here you can see live photo. Just click on it. After clicking live photos, you can just search for the live photo, or you can just go to the albums, or you can just click on all and search the live photo by yourself. If I select this and click the top right add, this live photo will be added to my wallpaper. So guys, that's how you can add live photo on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Abro. Thank you very much for watching the video.